Good evening, friends. Our next question from JEE Main 2019, 11th of January, evening session is: in a hydrogen-like atom, when an electron jumps from M shell to L shell, the wavelength of the emitted radiation is lambda. If an electron jumps from N shell to L shell, the wavelength of the emitted radiation will be. Our choices are 25 divided by 16 lambda, 16 divided by 25 lambda, 20 divided by 27 lambda, and 27 divided by 20 lambda. It's a simple question from Bohr atom model and from structure of atom and has only one choice correct. Before going further, please press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notification of all my future videos. Let us now try to solve this question. We know that in hydrogen atom, when an electron jumps from an orbit with quantum number n2 to another with quantum number n1, then the wavelength of the radiation emitted by the atom is given by 1 by lambda equals r, bracket starts 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, equation 1. Moreover, we know that L shell corresponds to principal quantum number 2, M shell corresponds to 3, and the N shell corresponds to a principal quantum number of 4. Therefore, in the first case, 1 by lambda equals r into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square, or 1 by lambda equals 5 by 36 into r, equation 2. And in the second case, 1 by lambda dash equals r into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square, which on simplification gives me 1 by lambda dash equals 3 by 16 into r, equation 3. Dividing equation 2 with equation 3, we get lambda dash equals 5 divided by 36 multiplied by 16 divided by 3 into lambda, or lambda dash equals 20 divided by 27 into lambda. Our answer matches with option 3 and hence option 3 is the right answer. I hope you liked this question, as it is a very simple question and I am sure you can do this question without any difficulties. Still you have difficulties, please let me know and I will answer all your questions. Don't forget to comment, like and share this video with your friends, and do visit us again for the next video. Before I end this video, let me convey that subjects are not very difficult. What they require is your devotion, dedication and determination, that is the 3 Ds, and the success will be yours. So keep smiling, it costs nothing.